So the next fun surprise on the Camaro is a sheared off seat mounting stud. That one's still there. That one is now permanently part of this nut. I was taking the seat out to get the little section that was torn patched, and all these seat studs were rusty pretty bad, so I was spraying them with the penetrant, the PB Blaster. Got them all off eventually, except for this one, so now I have to deal with this. So I'm gonna just take this seatbelt retractor bolt out and pull back the carpet and see what's going on. So I was gonna see if I could just drill out the sheared off stud and just send a bolt from underneath the car through the floor, through that hole, but it's over a bend. This area is where the floor bends up. It's like a 45-degree angle here, so I don't know how that's really going to work if I can't get a bolt to come straight up through the bottom. So I might just drill through this broken stud and use a smaller diameter bolt. I don't really know what else I can do here. This brace is part of the floor of the car, so I can't really get into it or under it without major work.